Hey y'all, it's been so long. I haven't filmed or posted since Vlogmas. I decided to come back with me basically getting my life together. Getting things organized in my house, starting with my refrigerator. Just everything, y'all. And I decided to start a new journey, and that is meal prepping. Because I have gained so much weight and it's time to get it off. So I decided to, in 2024, get more organized and just treat myself better. So I'm going to start meal prepping. I'm going to be filming and posting about that and just on a whole new lifestyle journey and losing weight in the process. Y'all, this refrigerator was so, I can't take stuff like this. When stuff is not organized, it just messes my mood up and it just makes me feel how this stuff looks. So I decided to organize my refrigerator. I'm going to go shopping for the foods that I'm going to be using for meal prep. And yeah, I'm just going to go from there. I'm just getting rid of everything. I have so many eggs. Look at all those eggs. That whole big box of eggs plus. Whew. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just getting everything organized. I'm going to be doing room by room just so that I don't feel overwhelmed. So yeah, I'm going to be back doing my videos probably 2 or 3 a week. I'm going to try to. I know that I'm going to start posting my meal prep videos next week, the beginning of next week. So y'all getting this video today, which, well, for y'all will be Monday, and then I'll probably post something. And I'm still gonna do cooking different meals. Everything is not gonna be all on a health kick. I'm still gonna be, but I'm just trying to do other things too, more on the healthy side, but still flavorful and fun. So yeah, I am excited about this journey, and I am looking forward to sticking with it and being more disciplined.
Shorty gone crazy.
Y'all, the rack to my deli drawer broke, so I just been having that little drawer sitting on the shelf. I have to get another, the thing it slides on, because that little container is taking up space. So yeah, I just took everything out, wiped the refrigerator down, and I ended up cleaning all my fruit and putting them in the little containers that I bought. Yep, y'all, so this is the beginning of my organization journey and health journey, lifestyle journey, whatever. But I'm back, and I want to thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I have so many sauces, condiments. I just never know how to make that part look aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna have to see and try to figure out some hacks. But anyway, I want to thank y'all again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.